Showers of blessings today and always. In order to design an amazing life, there are a few things that we have been blessed with by our Creator, which we really need to make use of as tools to design our life. One is our physical self, and two is our mind. If these two tools are put to proper use, definitely, undoubtedly, we can create an amazing life. Now, the best part here is even if you realize that these two tools are damaged, we can always bounce it back to health. So in today's video, just a few tips on how to keep a conscious tab on our physical and our mental wellness, and how we can regain if we have damaged our physical and mental health. Physical, when we speak about physical, it is mainly the five senses. Our life mostly revolves around the five senses, and we find so much of pleasure and goodness when we experience life through five senses. That is a beautiful thing that we have been gifted. But your five senses, if it reaches to a point of obsession, when the pleasures of your senses reaches to a point of obsession, then it hinders our path. So you have to be very careful in observing the way you use or give importance to your five senses. And number two is feeling of dullness, lethargy, and heaviness in your physical body. Now, these two are the major hindrances, obsession and lethargy, when it comes to our physical self. And the only way you can remove it is by recognizing that this is what is hindering your path. So when it comes to physical health, be very conscious of how you make use of your five senses and how much of energy and vibrancy you bring into your physical body. The second tool that we are blessed with is our mind. And the two things that really obstructs the good health and wellness of our mind is one, the aversion or ill will which we develop towards people and situations. You just have to throw away this hindrance. And the second one is when you find your mind totally restless. When your mind is restless, it gets fickle. It is unable to make any decision concretely. It's unable to stay focused on a path that you want to take. And when you develop ill will and aversion towards people and situations, you are going to be filling yourself with negative emotions, which will definitely not help you move on beautifully on your amazing path of life. And the most beautiful way you can bring in mental wellness is through meditation. Beautiful. Just observe silence. You don't even have to go into complicated things. Just observing silence every day will play miracles on your mental wellness. So keep the two tools for an amazing life that we have been blessed with beautifully fit, healthy, and well. And the only way you can do that is just first recognize how your wellness is. And if you find you need to improve, please do accept that. Only when you recognize your problem and accept it, will you then start questioning yourself, how may I go about improving myself? And once you start questioning yourself on how to improve your mental and physical wellness, I assure you, you are on the path to discovering a beautiful you. A young man lived just bang opposite a huge mountain. And he used to watch people trek up the mountain, right up to the peak. So one day he decided, why not? Why not try going up the peak? So when he reached the foothills of the mountain, he saw so many people around there waiting to climb. Some had just finished their climb. So he started questioning each and every one. How was the climb? What were your experiences? Did you enjoy it? Is it worth it? And you know what? He received various and various answers. Some were delighted with the climb. Some were exhausted with the climb. Some totally said it was futile to even try to climb this mountain. And he received various answers, which finally declined his love to climb the mountain. And he never did. We all need to keep one thing in mind when we choose to tread a particular path in designing a beautiful life for ourselves. It is we who need to take the journey. If we are going to allow ourselves to be swayed by other people's experiences, we are going to deprive ourselves of something beautiful that is in store for us. I want to end this video with the beautiful words of our Shaolin master. If any one of you chooses to climb that mountain of clarity, I will be there to meet you